The vegan keto diet, as the name reveals, is a diet that mixes some qualities of both vegetarian and ketogenic diet. This diet strictly excludes consumption of animal-sourced foods, which vegetarians do not eat. The main aim of vegan keto diet is to enable vegetarians reach ketosis, whereby the body burns solely fat for energy. This is achieved by consuming plants high in fat. This video will show you all you need to know about vegan keto diet. Please like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Moving forward. Doing vegan keto diet will lower the risk of chronic health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes and certain cancers, and of course losing of weight. Although it is less common that vegans suffer obesity and weight issues, this diet is a great way for vegans to lose weight by reaching ketosis. Foods to avoid on vegan keto diet. Doing vegan keto diet, like a pure keto diet, you must significantly reduce your carb intake and replace carbs with healthy fats and vegan sources of protein. Animal-sourced foods, including animal-based ingredients, are not to be consumed on a vegan keto diet. Also, like the pure keto diet, foods that should be reduced significantly on this diet are all forms of sugary drinks, starches, grains, sweeteners, starchy vegetables, beans, legumes and generally fruits should be limited. High-carb alcoholic beverages, low-fat diet foods, high-carb sauces and condiments and highly processed foods should also be limited. Also, the level of carbohydrate restriction when following a vegan keto diet varies depending on your health goals and individual needs. Generally, healthy, high-fat vegan foods and vegan protein sources should make up the majority of your diet. Foods to eat on vegan keto are. Doing vegan keto diet, you should essentially focus on vegan, healthful foods that are high in fat and low in carbs. These foods include oils, coconut products, nuts and seeds, nut and seed butter, vegan protein sources, vegan full-fat dairy, avocados, and berries, non-starchy veggies. Condiments that can be used on vegan keto are nutritional yeast, fresh herbs, lemon juice, salt, pepper, spices. Though the keto diet cuts out many food groups that vegans rely on, such as whole grains and starchy vegetables, a vegan keto diet can be followed with careful planning. People doing vegan keto should get their calories from whole, unprocessed foods while avoiding highly processed vegan foods. To keep hunger at bay between meals, you can consume vegan keto snacks like sliced cucumber topped with vegan cream cheese, coconut fat bombs, nut and coconut bars, coconut milk and cocoa smoothie, trail mix with mixed nuts, seeds and unsweetened coconut, dried coconut flakes, roasted pumpkin seeds, celery sticks topped with almond butter, coconut milk yogurt topped with chopped almonds, olives stuffed with vegan cheese, guacamole and sliced bell pepper, cauliflower tater tots, coconut cream with berries. There are various delicious foods to consume when doing a vegan keto diet. Meals and snacks should be high in healthful fats and low in carbs. Although the vegan keto diet benefits your health, it has some drawbacks. These drawbacks are: 1. Vegan diets tend to be low in important nutrients, especially if not carefully planned. Vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin K2, zinc, omega-3 fats, iron and calcium are examples of nutrients that some vegan diets lack. Because the vegan keto diet is stricter and more food restrictive than normal vegan diets, it's important that those following it supplement with high-quality vitamins and minerals and plan their meals to prevent nutrition deficiency. Eating fortified foods, focusing on whole foods and enhancing nutrient availability, for example through fermenting and sprouting, is important for people following a vegan keto diet. However, it may be difficult for vegan keto dieters to meet nutrient needs through only food. That is why supplementing with certain vitamins and minerals commonly lacking in vegan diets is an essential way to prevent deficiencies and ensure that your daily requirements are met. Vegan keto diet side effects. Side effects of the vegan keto diet may include fatigue, nausea, irritability, constipation, poor concentration, diarrhea, weakness and tiredness, headaches, muscle cramps, dizziness, difficulty sleeping, staying hydrated, getting enough rest. Eating fiber-rich foods and engaging in light activity can help ease keto flu symptoms. What's more, supplementing with the electrolytes magnesium, sodium and potassium can help reduce certain symptoms, such as muscle aches, headaches and insomnia. As the vegan keto diet restricts many foods, it's not appropriate for everyone. The vegan keto diet may not be suitable for those with type 1 diabetes, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, athletes or those with eating disorders or a history of disordered eating. If you consider switching to a vegan keto diet, consult your dietitian or a doctor to make sure the diet is safe for you. All in all, this hybrid diet is an awesome way that vegans can reach ketosis. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.